There's a huge aesthetic component to this project that all our work will be on display and needs to look good, because it's both functional and decorative. We're here at the Massanutten Waterpark expansion. We're working on the HVAC system to manage the air, make sure it's a comfortable temperature and humidity, and install the equipment required to do that in a large space. Here we have two specialized, what they call pool units, that condition and especially dehumidify the air, and we're running those into large decorative duct socks that distribute the air around the area. It's an interesting installation because there's a large volume of air requiring conditioning, and it also has chemicals that can be extremely corrosive. So the equipment needs to be both capable of high volumes and also resist corrosion. It being a pool, the guests are typically wearing less clothing and they're less able to regulate their body temperature using clothing, so it's important to have the temperature and humidity spot on so that they're comfortable, so that they're warm enough to enjoy their experience and the air isn't so humid that they have difficulty breathing.
What makes this job special for us, one thing is the slide tower. We have a large sock duct that goes vertical through a very tall, tight space that has its challenges. We have a very crowded mechanical room in the basement that has a lot of systems in that was very tight for coordination.
This was a little unusual in that the other trades didn't participate in the VDC, but they were able to use our drawings to avoid conflicts anyway.
During the VDC process, we take into account the architectural design, structural design, electrical, sprinkler. This particular project has a heavy plumbing scope. As you can imagine, being a water park, and they're coordinating with the plumbers to avoid those conflicts with their large systems in the mechanical room really reduces our time and increases our efficiency. But without the VDC process, we run into a lot of times trade conflicts, which stops construction. The trades folks aren't allowed to continue installing efficiently. It just extends the job schedule. The advantages to Blauch's VDC team is we're all professional trade contractors. We have master level plumbers and journeyman level sheet metal guys that are doing the coordination, so they're familiar with how things are installed in the field, which gives us an advantage.
The systems we're installing are especially exotic, so the guys really do need to know what they're doing and meet all the little challenges that come apart in a build like this. Ultimately, the gratification will come at the end when the guests are here enjoying the pool area and having a good time. That's really what it's all about.
Here at Blauch Brothers, we're excited to enrich the lives of the local community here at the Massanutten Water Park.